Checking the enclosed tuple. This code returns true. And if I don't know the number next to E, how do I check if that letter is on the list?
You need to brute force the search. Check if any of the tuples in the list have the first member as E, which gives
You can convert the list to a dict first. Outputs true twice. This code takes advantage of a dict, which will directly take a list of tuples and make the first element of each tuple into the keys. Then you can quickly search the keys of the resulting dict.
Use a list comprehension to get the first components of every tuple. Then check using if E occurs in the resulting list using the existing approach.
Once you open it, using design